Winter is here, so are your cold, cough, and snizzles. What if your kitchen could be your best defense? Today, I'm sharing 25 powerful immunity boosting food and a simple winter meal guide to keep you healthy, energetic, and glowing all season long. Hey guys, welcome back to Likita's Foodie Studio. Myself Likita, and if you love healthy food and you're a foodie that's easy, delicious, and good for your body, you're in the right place. Winter can challenge our immune system, but with the right food and smart meal prep, you will be able to breeze through the season. Ready to build your immunity shield? Let's get started. Winter brings chilly weather, less sunlight, and seasonal virus, all of which can challenge our immune system. It's crucial to give our body the right tool to stay strong. Fortunately, cuisine is a treasure trove of natural immunity warriors. Ancient spices, vitamin rich vegetables, and vibrant fruits that have been used for centuries to promote health and well being. Let's dive into the incredible ingredients that will help you fight off cold, boost energy, and feel your best all winter long. Let's start with the spices and herbs. Turmeric, which fights infection and inflammation. Ginger is an antiviral and antibacterial and is keep you comforting with the warming. Garlic boosts white blood cells and fights germs. Black pepper enhances nutrient absorption. Cinnamon is the antioxidant and antimicrobial. Cloves are a natural antiseptic. And we have cardamom, which detoxifies and is great for cough. Next, we have fenugreek, which is vitamin C and immune boosting. Next, we have coriander seeds, anti-inflammatory and aids digestion. Finally, we have cumins, iron rich and supports immunity. Next, let's see the fruits which are winter friendly. Amla has 20x more vitamin C than oranges. Oranges are classic vitamin C support, with the pomegranate being antioxidant and antiviral. Next, we have papaya, which is vitamin C and A, which aids in digestive enzymes. And finally, we have guava, a immune boosting and fiber rich fruit. Now, let's see vegetables and proteins and nuts. To start with, spinach, which is rich in iron, folate, and vitamin C. Carrots are great with beta carotene content for healthy immune cells. Sweet potato, which is enriched with vitamin A, is excellent source of food for respiratory health. Broccoli, which is rich in vitamin C and E and has lot of antioxidants. Bell peppers are more vitamin C than citrus. When we come to proteins and nuts, we have almonds, rich in vitamin E and healthy fats. Then walnuts, which are having omega 3s for immune regulation. Probiotics in the Greek yogurt is excellent for your gut health. Complete protein and vitamin D are present in egg, which is a great source of food. Green tea is enriched with antioxidants and L-theanine. Let's have a full day of delicious immunity boosting meal to keep you feeling your best. Start your day right with warm water, lemon, and grated ginger for a cleansing boost. Follow up with a comforting mug of turmeric golden milk or a warming spiced immunity tea to awaken your senses and prepare your body for rest of the day. In the breakfast, have amla smoothie along with yogurt or a pinch of honey, a hearty carrot ginger soup with whole grain toast, or a savory spinach egg scramble with turmeric. In your lunch, Build a balanced plate with a brown rice or a quinoa base prepared with a flavorful turmeric dal along with a mix of garlic and ginger. A vibrant seasonal sabji like your carrot or beetroot stirred, fried, whatever is your choice, and a fresh salad with bell peppers, carrots, and pomegranate. For your evening snack, keep hunger at bay with healthy options like roasted almonds, walnuts, along with a little cinnamon or a cinnamon powder, a calming green tea with honey, or a refreshing pomegranate seeds with chat masala. End your day with a light but nourishing meal as your dinner with the options of broccoli sweet potato soup, a comforting immunity khichdi, maybe rice, moong dal, or turmeric. You can have your own combination of khichdi prepared, or a grilled paneer or chicken with turmeric and black pepper. Let's whip up these simple and powerful recipes to give your immune system an extra boost. Let's start a day with golden immunity shot. Let's blend 1 pinch of ginger, 1 inch turmeric, juice of 1 lemon, pinch of black pepper, honey, and water. Strain this mixture and start drinking it daily as a immunity shot in the morning. Let's prepare a winter immunity soup for your breakfast. To make this, let's blend carrot, sweet potato, ginger, garlic, turmeric, and add some water until it shimmers. Blend it smooth and enjoy warm and hot. Now, for your mid morning, we'll have a spiced immunity tea. To make this, let's boil water with ginger, cloves, cardamom, cinnamon stick, and add little honey and sip it warm. For a balanced lunch, you can try immunity khichdi prepared from cooked rice or moong dal, turmeric, ginger, a pinch of ghee, and seasonal veggies together for one pot comfort meal. And in the evening, you can have a power trial mix of almond, walnuts, pumpkin seeds, dried amla roast with turmeric and a pinch of salt. Beyond food, incorporating these simple daily powerful habits will further fortify your immune system. Start your day with natural sunlight exposure and deep breathing exercises for just 15 minutes. Ensure your meal include a variety of colorful fruits and vegetables. Drink plenty of fluids, especially herbal teas, throughout the day. Include probiotics like your curd or a Greek yogurt with your lunch for the better gut health. Prioritize your sleep. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep for optimal immune recovery. Enhance your efficiency of immunity boosting effort with these clever combinations and practices. Always combine turmeric with black pepper when cooking to significantly enhance the absorption of its active component, that is curcumin. Boost iron absorption by pairing vitamin C rich food like your lemon or any citrus fruits with iron rich veggies such as spinach. Apt for steaming or light sauteing your vegetables, preserve their vital nutrients and antioxidants. For best absorption, eat citrus fruits away from heavy meals, allowing their vitamin C to be fully utilized. Dedicate some time on Sunday to prep your immunity boosting food for the entire week ahead, making healthy eating effortlessly. To truly protect your immune system this winter, it's just as important to know what to limit and what to avoid. Chilled items can dampen digestive fire in Ayurveda, as said, potentially awakening the immunity. So avoid excessive cold food and drinks. High in unhealthy fats and additives, they can contribute to inflammation and suppress immune system, and your immune function may reduce. So just keep away all your processed and fried food. Too much of sugar can directly weaken your immune response, making you more susceptible to infections. Alcohol in excess content can disrupt immune cell function and impair the body's ability to fight off pathogens. By embracing the wisdom of this cuisine and incorporating these simple habits, you're not only eating healthy, you're building a powerful defense for a healthy and energetic winter. Well, which immunity food are you going to try first? Comment below with your favorite winter wellness tip so that I can feature that in my next video. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe to my channel Likita's Foodie Studio and ring the bell for more healthy recipes and wellness tips. Also, share this with someone who needs an immunity boost this winter. Thank you so much for watching my videos. I will see you all soon with one more health tip, wellness tip, and one more exciting, delicious, healthy recipe.